me that's what that's. I am a mina, and I say, Opoku called that day, can you want come a day? The mini crane me, the ammonia be the grand camina. One was assuming that's what sure.
I'm actually glad that I'm able to help, but we have to do something about Opoku's thing. We have to find a way because watch it too much.
Baby, okay. I'll be a minimum swim.
I'm just happy that I can help you. I hope you've been going for checkup.
I can't cover anything.
So the baby is fine. I've heard you. That's all I wanted to know. That's why I called you here. So I want to check out your place too. I want to know where you stay. Yeah, so that you can't be coming here all the time. So sometimes I can come there, I can call you, then you'll be like, oh yeah, in your room, then I'll just come and visit you. Do you get it? The last time that I bought all the food stuff, you had to come and pick them up yourself. So right now, I'm not really doing anything, so you can take me there then. What do you think? Yeah.
Oh, me to leave the one. Are you sure? Oh,
Keep up, friend. What a coincidence. I was just passing. I've come to meet you here. What's up? Oh, mommy. What about you then?
Hey.
You haven't called?
Yeah.
Say everything's okay, the pregnancy, everything, you are alright. Oh, Miss Mitawana precious, or can't ask him more. Miss Oyemi Jawaba here. I only tell you to shedding, aye, shedding. Yamu didn't tell my BBAC. Oh, I'm your there, Uncle Benin Papa there and in the bed now. On you move away.
Ah! What's called you here? Yeah, Kasamakase Kabi.
Precious, I'm giving
you
you
know what you're saying
motivation.
Is not necessary. Obi Akasebe Kabi. Kasing me. Don't mind him. I don't know why he's saying all this. Why are you saying all this?
Precious, that's the way I can say. That's why I'm confused. Now you do come out the only thing I say about our children.
Bon, leave. Leave. Don't you know you make her feel bad?
What's up, the motivation?
Did I ask you to do so? Did I ask you to? Go.
Oh.
Leave.
Leave.
Leave. You. I'm sorry, and you can go in. I'll call you and then try to come away. I'm really sorry.
Let me take heart, okay?
Hey. Vaughn. Don't play with me.
Precious, I'm even confused.
Don't play with me, oh. If you know you're going to act this way, don't talk to me again.
Oh.
This is what I'm telling you. I'm so serious. Me no one kasabiem.
Yeah.
Me no one kasabio.
Me yes sir.
So why do you have to do this?
It was just motivation. Oh, Precious. Precious. Oh, Precious.
You always do this. Oh yeah, I know why you're baby. Then you act like you're crying. Hinenimbi. Oh, me say we repeat it. I will not talk to you again. Play with me. Let's go.
Yeah, me pen kwa na me know the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me am embroso we meya. Me pese me come any months so meya. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish.
My baby girl. Lee, baby. Oh, Lee, wait. Lee. What's wrong? What do you mean? I've been waiting for you, but what do you mean?
So I show Mamma de Macumen ma born a coin out the minka would they may be fastened.
Lee, I'm so confused right now.
Yes, what is school mahano? A ma a wahina a cocoa tree bread singer, no, yeah, a day TSC. Now why?
Lee, me?
Yes.
Of course not. Like, why would you even believe? Who's been saying things like this to you?
They'll catch a median farm. Like, my
Lee. Like,
I'm sorry.
Lee, Come on. Like this has to be a joke or something, Lee.
Mamenka semuncho. If you ne koi. Se humia chem. O just mameka John.
Lee, you are expecting me to see my girlfriend and pass?
Yes, of course. Humia chem. Me no ne she bi. O just mameka John. What na ho? Just say eye me ya se me baye no. Ma se jabo che for me nyina me baye me sade makoma ama. Na why me soon just why me nya she. Me wan se mamenka ncho. But you can't
be believing these rumors against me.
Me so how one kasa. Si asema me kacho me so ohumia yeden. Faso so. Ohumia yeden.
Lee, I go here with you.
Janche na member sen.
Lee. Lee.
Ah.
Abadi. Now when is this all can you me guna soon? I the state in sorry bomo. You are the state. Leave.
Yeah, me pay what I mean, the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me I'm embroso with me yeah. Me person me come any months I jam me yeah. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish. Oh yeah. I pray that today you go be my day. Yeah. Yeah, me pay what I mean, the party they come my way.
Asantua. Why they pay to my brother them school? Why they who them in Namho and pedemia who told school? Kitchen day, sister, pay to my brother school, if them go for the major school.
And then I must make home baby. I'll become fancy woman, Susanna. They ask him.
They catch him.
Coming at the nature.
Asantua, I've peacefully been living in this school with my girlfriend. And you decided that, oh, nah, I have to stress Vaughn's life. I have to stress Fanfula's life. And you want to badmouth me. You have gone to spoil me to the girl. Now you are happy, right? You are happy with the results.
You think I have your time? Do you think I have your time?
Okay, Mama can show. Still, still a check more. Still a pem. Still less than 1 day.
Me,
I can't die. The Bakuloba will tell you,
Apu. Apu.
She do you know?
Apu.
Me bibio, member chichona, apu gumedo.
I don't like you again. Stay away from me.
She. Bibiana. Ah, we are here. Like you know that we are here. To the jealous and envy. Tell what I am. And what I am. On the best menu. On the edge of Puna best menu. Ah. I mean, young demo. A nice girl. Tell them I don't be a power school.
And your fault. And me and Mamma me who chance I'm winning is.
She.
Me and Mamma me who chance. I didn't even have a break with what's wrong, Miss O'Crane. Yes, Salad,
so I want to break him. I want to answer the news and shame.
Hey, Von.
Okay, where are you?
Von. Dear grow how no. Dear grow how. What me buno.
I mean, I remove them now.
Obi knew I can say as more.
Asantua. Asantua Jimmy. Asantua Jimmy.
So we want to chop into people. So the way and the twice we
Asantua me mark masim ne real. Mark. Awa, yaw, ayawa, wa. Nedi ni shan semio.
Want me help yourself.
I'll relax.
Me help yourself. Oh yeah, I didn't me wa hano. I didn't me wa hano. Ow, a domana and no. Ow, a domana and dom.
Madam.
A dom.
Yeah.
Ow, if you plant a shell. It's here.
Ebwe mendobia, ebwa unyefe.
The party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me I'm embroso with me yeah. Me person me come any months I jam me yeah. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish.
How are you? Why?
Precious. I'm not in the mood for any of those your favorite formalities or whatever you call them.
Hey, my head.
Precious, onyawo.
So what is wrong? Asantua. Why are they being talking? What has Asantua done?
Precious, minim say honor me baby no kid in Kumobia. If you didn't baby call chichim who I'm only and I wanna be stop acting dumbfounded or whatever. Like stop trying to play a fool here.
What is happening? You still not told me. I don't understand what is going on.
I don't know exactly what, but I'm pretty sure that Santo is going to say something to the girl, like, cause like she's acting different now.
So she's fighting with you.
Yes.
It took catch a menyande. Oh, menyande. Say a question. Menyande.
Precious na when you being say when you asem na wa be catch ni you be say abadi na ode eni you be say no way.
I think I have to advise you. But menya woden ntina me. Menya woden. O catch a menya woden.
I would the baby aye. Me dey me catch up kana kede e dey wa ye on you na nka support him kakra. Be a good sister now supporting so David uncle in be set that
girl. Well, no girl asem dey mean to me can be o. Do you mean my going to go full sir?
Oh,
I'll try. Do you want me to talk to the girl for you?
Yeah.
Well. You can't tell me now. You want me to do something for you, and I want to say, and then.
Oh yeah, don't forget, okay. Oh, help me.
Yeah, I'll try. Cause me na Santuana, I'm no issue.
I know that I know you can help me because I don't know when you meet a wicked. Bet you see me think crazy.
Mimi a wicked.
Oh, they be on your
them. Men kashe, pamacho.
Oh.
Me a wicked.
And you're wicked. Oh,
pamacho, and I'm
I'll pray. You pop. Yes, yeah, no. Say ranking for we good at India. We're trying to on your phone fooling. Oh, no, well, my sister.
And I'll tell her why. No, that you want some now. Okay, I'm going to tell her. Or I'm going to convince her. It's because I don't like Asantua.
Yes.
So anything to bring Asantua down, I'll do it.
Thank you.
So get inside. I want to be real. I don't make him light.
Daddy, I said.
So why are you sitting here?
As Aroma is in your man or the same member. The man panos
Anything out there?
May train will be here.
No man say why. I later, bra. I'm a mouse guy. As a mania deal. Move back a crunch. Right.
Hey, anything money count me in. I'm acting for money, oh, pray.
Yeah, me pen kwa me know the party they come my way. Oh yeah, me I'm in broso with me yeah.
I had planned not to talk to you again in this group, but Vaughn called me and spoke to me about it. Yeah, asking me why. I told you something about Santa. Why you went to tell us?
I'm so sorry about that. I was just curious about it. That's why I went to tell you.
And she came to fight with me and all that, but let's just put that aside.
Okay.
Vaughn came to tell me that you guys are having a problem and you are giving him attitude and all that. And I know that the possibility that the reason you are doing that is because of Asantua is very high. And I called you here to advise you because I know you don't know this. Do you know that Asantua is Vaughn's ex?
What are you talking about?
What am I talking about? They were dating and then Vaughn got sick. He went to the hospital and came back and he heard that Asantua has messed up and all that and they broke up.
Precious, are you sure about what you're saying?
I'm sure. Why would I be telling you this? Calm down. The reason I'm even telling you is because Vaughn is worried. And Vaughn does not deserve what you're doing to him. And I know Asantwa is feeding you wrong information.
Wait, Uncle State and Kamachu so crab bonity. About you and this uncle
Calm down, calm. And no Kasam in state diao. We are here now. Only mistakes crab. Don't talk to me about any states. As a man make only say Asantwa is feeding you the wrong information. And I'm sure she doesn't want you to be with Vaughn. Be smart. When you catch on, bye.
No, I'm not going to tell you.
I've heard you. Yeah. So that's why I called you. So just take care of yourself. Know what you tell Asantwa and know what you listen from Asantwa and take to heart. That's all.
Thank you.
Are you going out? Yeah,
I'm going.
I'm also going inside. So I'll see you later.
Alright.
Say fire. Yes, brother. I said the man bomb fire no. Oso bie mani. Kase bie. We bie. Oso bie mani kase bie. Oso bie. Me abofo mienu. Abofo mienu. E na me hu papa bi. E na hu papa bi. Fo din bia se Sadai. Sadat. Bomb fire. Guys. Guy. Mr. Sadat sa wutie mi a. Wutie ya. Abofo bi abon hu po. Mr. Sadat so se na wutie ya. Enuma wo bo. Anyuma ubo ankofobi aye pesa ya bow farm over the grand you boy some bomb pay me Mr. Sadat so Sophia yes and the stomach in but my yes and you be our boy but say Ajia Budenchi kasi I've been daddy my I've been daddy vampire Ajia Budenchi some na boy kasi I didn't daddy you know, chicken wando, Bill with it. Hello, madam. I've been that chicken, you know, chicken wando. Hello. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Now, me patch your friend saying.
My friend is Sewa.
Sewa, as in S-E, Sewa.
The Lord is working.
But my concern, me can't say me say young brother Junction.
Yes.
Now in the radio, the air can't
me.
Sewa. Oh, do you have siblings?
Oh, yeah.
Us, the Lord is working. The Lord is working. The Lord is working.
Saying 3 and 4.
4. The Lord is working.
Madam Sewa, you perceive how do you be now?
You get to me.
For a number, no.
My phone.
My family,
my phone.
Are you a newcomer? That's a woman who wants to be, you know.
Yes, I've been seeing.
You've been seeing hair around. Around. My patch say what course Ben now offer. Course Ben away.
I think so open in them.
Oh, okay.
My main Jenny number.
Guy, Pastor Mike, pen ever job. Wouldn't pen paper.
Darby.
Oso ayi bibia chema kan person me no di hu nkomo wati ase
osoro yi a chema
ana koye e kwanti no nka me person ka bi hia one on one nanka ye di nkomo
okay
mamenje na bibia ni a nanka enye yi bia mamenje nti odo ehu
oh Pastor Mike oh come on my ne ye hu fi die
sisi an number ni aji o we dey odo ehu betimi abo agusu ananka
unim ye beba hostel ma ye nkomo dom ho ne no nkodi nkomo yeah aha koye nkwanti nti person be di nkomo bi ha hu say we more two phone you understand. Yeah, but you know, so you're payable for.
Oh yeah, sure.
Good.
Aye. But I shall see. Why? Today,
why?
Yeah,
it's son na make no.
Okay. Okay.
Oh, say na ye bomb.
Minimum crack coming.
Oh, brother Mike. The devil is a liar, brother Mike. Brother Mike, I don't know see us obamubu.
Hey, now check we for quotation. Almost the nyumbiaba.
I don't almost say.
Wana dinja.
No.
A B say we ninya. Yabashi. Wana dinja. A B say we ninya.
Yabashi. Mike, tie. E man yesterday near sinning tea. You pese ujai.
Emfa.
Yes, how queen. Ne ya sha se ma yinwi nanka.
Nipa ni je ketwa bi. Nipa ni je ketwa bi. Ejina ha bompa ya che Nyankopon se ye betwe akra ma Nyankopon. Na akra ba akwa ba ye ejina mba na to yie. Ama yakwa ko preach now. No, brother Mike. No, come on. And how we doing? It's not what you think. Unim tie.
Omono makoye ma bi sese wogi ne number sisi akwa ebebo ne tim se bi e penti a wogi ne number.
That's any pay asofo.
Wotunu fo ntiti yenko ne honom no hu se ye ni abre. Wacha se ye yenko ne nim na eni ndi sa nkomo no. Wacha se.
Oh first ni na afena mato ase.
Aye style.
What the yanka bi. Charlie said no sana ni pa ya na ade.
I don't know wacha.
Why? Eh.
Then wonya wo kan.
You know so I check the account ni.
Baby edu
Ko munyina so check it.
O ma me hwe, o ma na makosho.
When
the kwade misa uni problem.
Me cho say me go inside.
Tin member home.
Aye, me go inside.
Account the kwade problem ni ho.
Problem ni ho.
Eni ho kra.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ba wanya ne mansan a untimi nyi ni bi.
Sa na kwai ba ku ni ho ase ba ku ntimi nyi. Sa na ti. E tende kwade odi problem. Ah. No, guy. Brother Mike.
Yeah, me the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me I'm embroso with me yeah. Me person me come any months so me yeah. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish.
Sure. Via go. Ale o twa via no.
Ano. Na se. Nipa nomba de.
De na me class in de me ni anju.
Pacha me why? On say state na ye wo ho no obi je ya de a nipa na mbon right so mbeji ade e na say more class nti na untimi mbe distract me sa
books mu ye ba school enye scanty bi e busa mo so na mo cheche ho che sa esa na sa e crown nti se ma yin sua ade
state de on say e ho no behavior ne ha e very different on e was so to say why e be nsi biem okay
na ma mi chira o say me de me ni anje won no ana na mpese ma wo
mate e be nsi biem
so ana o chiri mi state and explain o de coin
akwasia so abegina na fambu na me book na den e da forma ya no ato be na don bi ma we la zungu buza asa to bra china ndi nkomo bi
yo me o si ya o tu ni me kasa ya kasa yi
bra chi na me de
style na me kasa me ni nji wo
me kwaji ba ya wondi bi
da kwaji ba me di bia na no chese kasa me ni me ya wana
o si na o de anyway me ba cho me ba bebusa wasimbi asema me bebusa me hia mu no kre why bisa no kre say on ne bona mo date asanto
oh dia no sanity
hey Nyamisha precious mami
precious
nyame o shop just say abo bi be kawa do firi wontum
me firi wontum mu
na firi me hefa
me firi wontum mu
firi me he
na wo na nka wo boy anka wo betu nipa na fo so on ne ntina
hey asanto a me show papa
what show me say
inti me no wo ko be nyina sa dia na eye ma me ne na eye o ya ho
de na ye ma o now asebe na wo kan why no obe hu say obi di ni boy echi e go betina wa like be any day e ko be na odi no
chese eye me won ade no ne edi nam wani so iti sa nema ne nyina wo ka hyewu mo e na wan kan twa me se woni nipa no wo ho e na chese wo nipa ko ne tie wo na sia
gina o komo bia na ni bi komo bia na
there be say nkomo ebedi edi sika beba ono so de me no odo
asem obi wo hono ma so de asem obi wo hono ma o she de ni relationship ho nkomo sa
e na me do say me do sam de me ntimi be kan cho ba de edi sika be free ma ba de me ne wo me no
eso sika de o be ka hwe ba akoma mu de anti the same thing na esi wo me hono say me so akoma mu de me ntimi kan cho nti say what who say sa na tie because say me kan cho ma kan cho say to say no so ehunya ansa say o be ka cho say bia no ole me na wo ha na say enti we hu dia sanete me ko de no uji 200 on fa ma me uji 90 on fa ma me ko inside o ko ibrem
jina ho na me ka say nye ma me ka say moncho boy no me njani ne enjani cha o ta say ma me ka cho no
she ka me bu fucking
asa to be me
bu fucking
o be bu me
usku mo won ka asem che o she Me coincide or coincide for me.
Oh, I also me baha my state. I do look it down.
As we get together, I would be so.
Me, there be oba make sure say hono unsa bodam for no go. State one.
My men can't show how diagram you kidnap to form.
May
you live and you had your children say, right?
Me hune now betu.
Me coincide for scalable me.
Ah, the old tree. Me say boy, me Johnny china. Eshuwe. Our ban when in na say ako concert. Ojan.
Yeah, me pen kwa me know the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me am embroso we me ya. Me pesa me come any monster drum me ya.
She said, "We're chini pa mata mama say." Hey. Say I'm coming na sa precious. Precious no can be. Now what you are table me so at once.
Santo. Be okay. Ase me free class by me betwe mu ko dormitory. Ase me hu ye kra o nti na masasa me chia be aba me baby sa say we okay a. Kasa me hu Aden. Den yo.
Yes. Ase biti ase makoma ase. Me she de nwa de
baby corporate ye o ya. Na wanu medro. Na obi o yare wa betina ha edro ne de wanu medro a wo be de na ho ato. So yare o so pe edro bi no. Ana uniska.
Uniska.
Ninti ade ya na onko pe edro no. Na me fa onko school nurse nchen.
School nurse edro be no.
Na so ye good school nurse any so na school ye na nurse ni so ye good.
Nde ne hopa de anka meda ha ewu. Apu.
Me dem be check up so ho ya since I will say fa uti ya oye de ma me fa onko inside na me pe bi mo ana say me nkoto edo bi ma onu me.
De di kai meba.
Mindi kan minti mi nko nja usa o. Obi on fa o de o da ha na e bia bibia be ye wa na me ka ne senti e be ya ma.
De di kai meba.
Na usu. Na ya wi ensu esu be ni o mo bi a o ya usu. Bibe ye wo asanto ma me fa onko inside there. Eish. Minko. Obewu.
Se komeba.
Minfa uko school nurse nchen so awo se there bi nti obese me ye ode.
Me mpeka sa wo. Se komeba.
Me de waka mate me de me ko de bibie ni akwa ni o. Asant. Side eye.